Hello everyone, I am Dr. Abhinay Alluri, consultant obstetrician, gynecologist and laparoscopic surgeon at Medicover Women and Child Hospital, Madhapur, Hyderabad. This week, that is August 1st to 7th, is celebrated as World Breastfeeding Week. This is because to raise the awareness about the importance of breastfeeding. So, according to WHO and UNICEF, 3 out of 4 children in the world are not getting breast milk. So, to increase the awareness on this aspect, so the World Breastfeeding Week is celebrated worldwide. So, what is breastfeeding? It is nothing but giving your milk, mother's milk usually directly from the breast. So, what are the advantages of breast milk? So, let me tell you, there are advantages for both the mother and the baby. So, let us discuss what are the advantages of breast milk to the baby. Firstly, it provides the adequate vitamins, proteins and fats in an adequate amount and also in an easy digestible form. So, that is why it is very important to give this breast milk to your baby. And the second thing is, it also helps in the passage of antibodies from mother to the baby, and this will act as a booster to protect the baby from infections. Next, coming to the fact that giving breast milk reduces the chances of your baby having infections like ear infections, respiratory infections like cold and also diarrhea. So, therefore, giving breast milk decreases the chances of infections in your baby. Next, this while breastfeeding, there is a connection or bondage developing between the mother and the baby. So, this helps in a feel good manner and even increases in the production of milk by the mother. Next, coming to the fact that research says that exclusively breastfed babies are having a higher IQ, and also the chances of them developing diabetes or obesity in the future is less. So, these are the major factors which help us or which tell us to say tell the importance of breastfeeding and to the baby. Now, coming to the importance of breastfeeding in the mother. Yes, breastfeeding also helps the mother also in several ways. So, firstly, during breastfeeding there are lot of extra calories that are consumed and helps in the pregnancy weight loss after the pregnancy to the mother. Therefore, exclusive breastfeeding helps in decreasing your pregnancy weight, and also this mother has the advantage of decrease breast and ovarian cancer. That is, if the mother is exclusively breastfeeding the baby, the chance of breast cancer and ovarian cancer in the mother are decreased. And also breastfeeding helps in like postpartum blood loss and helps in the easy inversion of the uterus, that is, the uterus comes back to its normal size in the at a faster pace. So, these are the advantages of breastfeeding in the mother. So, the first milk that is produced by the mother is called the colostrum. So, it is very nutrient rich and also contains lot of antibodies that helps the baby, and slowly it gets it transfers to transitional milk, and then within 10 to 15 days after the delivery of the baby, then mature milk is produced. This contains adequate vitamins and minerals that are easily digestible by the baby. So, this is about the breast milk. Now, how to increase your breast milk production? So, it is important you take plenty of water before you breastfeed your baby, at least 2 to 3 glasses of water, and sit in a quiet room where proper abdominal support, and take the baby in a proper breastfeeding position and start breastfeeding your baby. If you still face difficulty, then you can use natural supplements like oats, garlic or keema or certain type of fish also help in increasing the breast milk production. If this does not help, then please meet your doctor so they can put you on supplements to increase your milk production. So, after knowing the advantages of the breast milk, hope you understand the importance of the breastfeeding of your baby, and that it is not only advantageous to the baby but also to the mother. So, please encourage breastfeeding because it is a shared responsibility. Happy World Breastfeeding Week. Thank you.